Welcome to Chalet Villa Rodeada de Naturaleza Piscina, your peaceful retreat just 12 kilometers from Valencia and only 7 kilometers from the airport. Scan the QR code on your screen now for easy booking details. This charming holiday home offers the perfect blend of nature and convenience, surrounded by lush greenery, yet close enough to the city for easy exploration. Step into a spacious, air-conditioned villa designed for comfort, featuring 3 cozy bedrooms and 2 modern bathrooms complete with bidets. The fully equipped kitchen comes with a fridge and all the kitchenware you'll need for home-cooked meals. Relax in the inviting seating area with a flat-screen TV, or step outside to enjoy your private terrace with stunning garden views. The highlight of this property is undoubtedly the private pool, perfect for cooling off on warm Valencia days. Free Wi-Fi keeps you connected, while free private parking ensures hassle-free arrivals. Towels and bed linen are provided, and a convenient washer is available for longer stays. Located just 14 kilometers from Valencia's top attractions like Turia Gardens and the Gonzalez Marti National Museum of Ceramics, this non-smoking villa also offers easy access to the airport, ideal for travelers seeking both relaxation and convenience. Don't miss out. Scan the QR code now to book your stay at Chalet Villa Rodeada de Naturaleza Piscina and enjoy a getaway that combines nature, comfort, and value.